Hello, my name is Will Kaplan. I'm a parent on the 2030 team, and today we're going to talk about how to make a highlight reel using clips off of Veo. This process is a little bit different for other types of media, so like some of the stuff that I pull down from the sidelines, that's a different process. This is really just for that, overhead footage that we get out of the Veo, or as we start going to tournaments that are taking video, if you guys want to buy that video. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not, but this is how you would edit that as well. Okay, so starting, I've loaded up a Veo game. This can be any particular game you want. And as you'll notice across the bottom here, there's a bunch of these open circles. These are the clips that Veo has tried to identify that it thinks would be good potential clips. Now, it captures things like face-offs, it captures things like goals and shots and stuff like that. If your player's a defender, it's a little bit harder because you actually have to kind of go through and find that footage. That's a little bit more difficult insofar as you're going to have to make those clips yourself, but I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Okay, so to start, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and probably open up this clips window. All of these things that are in here, again, are created by the AI, so it's looking for these. And if we want to grab one of these, I've already grabbed this top one here. And what I mean by that is when you click on this little menu button, the download is going to start as grayed out. You have to save it first. Once you click save on a clip, then you get the menu and you can see it's rendering that clip right now. And so once it's finished rendering, then you can download it. I've already done that with this one just to speed things up. And so now you can see I'm able to actually click into this clip itself. And so as an example, what I might want to do is for this particular clip, it looks like it's a pass from, I'm thinking maybe Blake to Rafi. As you see, it starts kind of in the middle of the action. And so I might want to actually back this up a little bit more to be able to show kind of how the play develops. So see here, we can see Blake coming in from the side. She's going top side, turns back, finds Rafi. Rafi's going to, eventually score a goal here after she gets knocked down. Okay, so this now is more of the clip that I want to see. I don't want just the shot. I want a little bit more of the setup. What that is that's going to allow coaches to sort of see, like, are they moving off ball? Are they moving to open space? Things of that nature. Okay, once I've got this clip, I'm going to click save. That's going to, again, allow me to download it. I'm going to go ahead and download this particular clip, and you can see it's downloading up here. I've got it ready to go. We're all set. Now, if you are, let's say, a defender, and you're wanting to pick something up that isn't captured here. So here's an example of we're just like in some open space, we're playing some defense. What I could do right here if I wanted to capture this as a clip is I would say new clip on this space. And again, what it's going to allow me to do is come in here and say, okay, what is this thing? I'm going to call this, something like, we have to actually say what it is in order to start this process. So I'm going to say that this is maybe just a teaching moment. Again, that brings up this little blue bar. This is my timeline, which allows me to sort of say, where do I want to start it? Where do I want to stop it? I can maybe move it forward a little bit, move it back a little bit. Regardless, this is going to be what sort of allows me to highlight my player. Once I've done that, I'm going to hit create clip. That clip is then going to show up in this list, and I'll be able to download it. If anybody has questions about that or how to get these things out of Veo, please, send me a text, call me, whatever. I can try and help you guys figure this out a little bit more. But that's roughly how this process works, is we're going to, either allow the AI to make a clip for us, save that clip and then download it, or we're going to create a clip on our own. But again, in order to create that clip, you do have to kind of title it with one of these options up here. We've got, for defense, we've got things like D off ball. We've got teaching moments. You can just use highlight. That's a really generic one. But you guys all should be able to make these in the system and then download them. Now that we've got the clip downloaded, I'm going to move to the next video in the tutorial, which is talking about how to edit that clip in an editor. Thanks very much. Let me know if you have any questions.